Good morning, this is a Shaman Oracle reading for Thursday. Today I'm reading for Leo, Virgo, Libra and Scorpio, and this reading here is for Leo. Welcome, Leo. The reading starts with the Grimalkin's Curious Cats Tarot, and the card that came out for you is the Star. And the card is dedicated to the cat Rory. Rory is a young cat prone to skittishness and is often startled by the slightest noise or sudden movement. But this all changes when he is in the arms of his loving guardian. When Rory is held, he relaxes as comfort and security wash over his small body. A thunderstorm could roll overhead, but if Rory is being held, he barely flinches. He is completely at ease. And when children rush by in a fury, he doesn't hiss or shrink back. He watches with curiosity. It is his human that helps him feel protected and safe. It is in this space that he can see all the beauty that is around him. When the Star card is present in a reading, a feeling of protection will wash over, and a knowing that there is something greater than yourself keeping a watchful eye on your progress will shift your mindset into a positive place. The energy of the Star creates an atmosphere of hope and inspiration. You will find that areas that offer support will appear more clearly as they are illuminated by the light of the Star. When you open your heart and allow love to flow freely, you will discover the generosity of the universe, which is limitless. So use this opportunity to raise your vibration as you are in the perfect position to work as co-creator alongside the divine as you attract into your life situations that will increase your potential and promote growth. In addition, when you bask in the light of the Star, you have the power to extend its energy to those you encounter. It is your time to be an inspiration for others. The positive energy attributes of the card, they are maintaining an optimistic mindset despite obstacles, recognizing and using your strengths to overcome challenges, extending generosity and compassion. And when the energy attributes are negative, you might have a blind faith or wearing rose-colored glasses. You might be becoming too attached to an expectation and some denial, ignoring areas that require your attention. The Work Your Light Oracle card is the Age of Light, and this card is an activation card. The deck is assigning each card some energy like inquiry, action, activation, and transmission. And the card, the Age of Light, is an activation card. You have been training for this for lifetimes. Mystics and sages throughout the ages have predicted the period in history, and you decided to incarnate in the middle of it. There is no mistake that you are supposed to be here at this time of great change. If you ever feel unprepared or daunted by the path that is calling you, know this: you have been training for this for a lifetime. You are way more than the days that have breezed through you in this life. You are also all of the lifetimes that came before you. All of these experiences have polished your soul into the most magnificent expression that is your authentic self. Your soul has many facets, so imagine a fingerprint. Your soul is 1,000,000 times more intricate than that. And if you put together all of the fingerprints of all of the people you have been, you would not even get close to fathoming how much of a unique masterpiece you are. You came in with a clear soul plan. You came in with wisdom beyond your years. This is the part of you that longs to be seen. This is the part of you that is ready to step forward, that is ready to emerge. This is not a lifetime to stay hidden, but to step forth and be seen and to rise. Virgulite activation says this: say this: I call forth the soul gifts and soul training that I have received throughout all of my lifetimes. I'm ready to embody them all now without hesitation and without fear. And I have been training for this for lifetimes. The card from the 7 Energies Oracle is Wish Upon a Star. And this beautiful title of the card relates to the energy of light. The deck has 7 energies: earth, water, fire, love, sound, light, and thought. And Wish Upon a Star is related to light. And the key concepts of the card, they are intentions based on your desires and aspirations, the act of consciously committing to a vision, sacrificing something of value, gambling on yourself, trusting that dreams can become reality, and the importance of daydreams. Do you believe your dreams can become real, or do you shrug them off and think yourself being unrealistic? What if you could trust that the world around you holds promises that you have not yet realized? Perhaps the point all along is not how something can happen, but the power of wishing and intending. We humans have multiple ways to visualize owning a dream we want to see manifest in physical form. So think of a wishing well. You infuse a coin with your intention, tuning into the feeling of having a particular experience. Tossing the coin into the well symbolizes the act of letting the how go, walking away, and allowing the universe to do its part in the co-creative partnership. Another method is to wish upon a star, and in doing so, you also look back to our origins, for we are made of stardust. So today, allow yourself to dream and play with different realities. Even if it seems impossible, if it calls you and feels good, why not choose it? Wish upon a star, then live as if your wish were already true. Know that those beautiful dreams you have been nurturing are in the process of becoming real. So don't forget that the act of wishing, of dreaming, and of intending is more important than figuring out the how. It shows the universe you are serious about playing the game of life and you trust the essence of the partnership. Remember, every dream you believe in and hope for is a call to a twinkling star. The answer will come sometimes swiftly and sometimes slowly. But no wish is ever wasted. That's good to know, right? And the Sacred Forest Oracle card is the Meandering Pathway. And the Meandering Pathway is about flow. As you venture down the pathway, you are not sure what is around the next corner, but you are relishing the moment. You gaze at the interplay of light and dark of the leaves of the trees, and you inhale the fresh forest air, and all is well. You know that you don't have to see your destination. All that is required is to enjoy the journey. When life presents you a meandering path rather than a straight shot to a goal, you can feel frustrated. You might bemoan the fact that a path seems aimless and roundabout and that you cannot see what is ahead. On the other hand, you can just enjoy the voyage. If life right now seems to have some sinuous curves, some bends, loops, and turns, do not despair. All is as it should be. This card is suggesting that you relinquish control to the path forward and just see where it takes you. You do not have to have all the answers to succeed. You do not need to know what tomorrow holds to have an astonishing future. Simply sit back and enjoy the ride. You will get to exactly where you need to be for your highest good. The spirit of the meandering pathway says to you, everything falls into place when you don't resist the flow of the meandering pathway of life. Allow the path to take you where you need to go. Do not hurry it or resist it. Simply let go, surrender, and enjoy the journey. And the lovely animals oracle card that came out for you is the Woodpecker. And the Woodpecker is about projects, determination, and concentration. And the general message here is to achieve what you want, you need a lot of determination and a high level of concentration. Every little distraction hurts. You should go deep into your substance and soul, but never forget to focus on your concentration. The strength here is your determination to achieve your goals. Opportunities are your wishes or your projects, they are successfully realized. And some weaknesses are that you might be distracted through small details. Threats are that you are starting new projects without finishing the previous ones. Oh, well, yeah, I can say I do that a lot. I start too many things at one time, and then I have 5 projects going, and I don't know what first to finish. And that can cause that kind of thing that you start too many projects and not finishing them, the previous ones before you start some new ones, that can cause chaos. Yeah, I say to that, chaos all around. So Leo, have a wonderful day today. I wish you a great rest of the week. Stay happy, and maybe I see you next time, okay? And goodbye.